Whack it?
Whack it.
However you like it.
Should I pound it?
Yeah.
You can do it.
Look at that smile.
Alright.
Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations.
So much. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Appreciate it. I will.
Yeah, felt better.
Okay. For a couple of days, yeah?
Well,
Wow.
weeks.
Thank you. I'll see you guys. Yeah.
Next
I'll
month.
be on in a couple weeks. You get a couple weeks break from me, yeah? Alright. Thank you guys.
Hey, Pat. Oh, you're a very strong person.
Congratulations to you too.
Wow, this is kind of.
Yeah, I know. It's great. I know, sweetie. It's great. Feels good. Yeah. Yay. Yeah.
Don't drop your phone.
Congratulations. Even though I don't know you. Congratulations. God bless.
You want to take a picture with him?
Stop.